Hi guys, welcome to a slightly lower tech video of how to do the pack pages. So this is page 12 of the number 7 pack. We're going to lead on from what we were doing in the previous pages with converting fractions to decimals and percentages. And we're going to carry on going with this page. Okay, so on this page we're going to convert percentages to fractions, and this is a really easy skill because the word percent literally means per 100, cent means 100. Okay, so any percentage we can just write as a fraction over 100 straight away. Okay, sometimes we can write it as a fraction over 100 and then simplify that fraction down. So that's what's happened here. So 23%, first thing we're going to do is write that over 100 and then think about whether we can simplify that. 23 is a prime number, so we can't divide that by anything other than 1 or 23, so therefore we can't simplify it. 7%, that'll be 7 over 100, and again, we can't simplify that. 83%, so easy, just write them over 100, and then just think about whether you can divide either number by anything, by the same thing. Can't do that one either. 71%, just 71 over 100. This one's just 59 over 100. And then finally on question 6 we get to one that we can simplify. So 8 over 100. I don't want you to think the only way to simplify a fraction is just by halving numbers, dividing by 2. Actually the quickest way to do it is to think about what you can divide each number by, the biggest thing you can divide each number by. And in this case it would be 4. We could divide by 4 here, and that would give us 2. We could divide this by 4 as well, and that would give us 25. Okay. 12% would be 12 over 100, which again both numbers can be divided by 4, and that would give us 3/25. 20%, 20 over 100. Now here we could divide by 20, although a lot of people I suppose might think of 10 first. Dividing by 10 would give us 2 over 10, and then we could divide by 2 to get 1 over 5. 98%, 98 over 100, and we can divide both of these numbers by 2 to get 49 over 50. Okay, so that's the easy ones done. On to the word questions. David got 60% in his test. What is his result as a fraction? This one was just an example. Samuel got 48% in his test. What is his result as a fraction? So start off by writing it over 100 and then divide by a common number. 2 goes into both those, so that's 24 over 50. 20% of the parking spaces are full. What fraction of the car spaces are full? Okay, so if 20% is 20 over 100, can we simplify that fraction? In fact, we did this one up here, look, that's 1/5. 30% of the eggs in a container are cracked. What fraction are not cracked? So watch out for the wording here. So that would be 70%, 70 over 100, which is 7/10. And then 32% of the people think the new iPad is better than the old one. What fraction of people think the new iPad is? Yeah, so it's just 32% turned into a fraction. We can divide both of these by 4 again, and that will give us 8 over 25. Okay, thanks.